My dear students, today I am going to explain in English only, that is 4 steps for solving any numerical of physics. That means I am going to divide any numericals in 4 steps. And what are the steps that I am going to explain? And this method, this criteria is suitable for any students, 11, 12, NEET, IITG, whatever it may be. So now you try to listen these 4 steps. First step, you note it, you mind it. First step, what is first step? That is, you have to collect all datas from given numericals. That means first step is collection of datas of any numerical. Second step, number 2, that is second step, conversion of datas into same system of unit, that may be CGS or SI. Conversion is very simple, but you have to remember some things, some datas. For example, if you are getting liter in numerical, that means definitely you have to change. You remember 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. You can't solve any numerical in liter. Similarly, 1 angstrom, that is 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 1 light year, if light year is given, that means you have to convert. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. Similarly, 1 micro 10 to the power minus 6, 1 mega 10 to the power 6, 1 milli 10 to the power minus 3. That means kilo, mega, giga, micro. Definitely you have to convert. So this is called conversion of unit. You must know conversion of unit. That is based on your memory. Conversion. And third step is you have to select actual real formula, correct formula with these datas. That is also based on your memory. You have to think about formula from that given datas. And finally you select a formula which is related to that datas. And fourth step, final step, you have to put all the values, all the data in required formula, and by calculation you can get final answer with required unit. That means you have to write answer with unit. Now I am going to repeat this term. You have to follow only 4 steps for numerical. Number 1, collection of data. Number 2, conversion of data into same system of unit, that may be CGS or SI. And number 3, third step is selection of formula. And final step, fourth step, calculation with correct unit. And these are the 4 steps for solving any numerical. These terms you have to keep in your mind, and you can solve any numerical. तो Please subscribe this video for getting more results, more videos, more information from me, that you know myself, Engineer KK Singh, have given so many videos, and this one is especially for you in English conversion only. Okay, subscribe this video. Good night.